In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating reminder and follow-up emails in Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up timely reminders before an appointment and a thoughtful follow-up after it ends, so your clients stay informed and engaged without you having to lift a finger each time. First, sign into Microsoft Bookings through your organization's account. From the home page, choose the booking page you want to work with. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you pick the one tied to the services and staff you actually use, since notifications are configured per booking page. It also helps to confirm you have permission to edit services on this page. Once you're in the correct booking page, head to services. This is where each offering, like consultations, trainings, or demos, stores its own settings. Select the service you want to configure and open Edit Service. Keep in mind that reminders are service specific, so if you offer several services, you'll customize reminders for each one separately to match their audience and timing. Inside the service, go to the notifications area. Here you'll find the email reminders section, which controls the messages sent before an appointment. Choose add an email reminder and set when it should go out. You can specify minutes, hours, or days before the meeting starts. Pick a timing that gives your attendees enough notice to prepare without being so early they forget again. Common choices are 24 hours and 1 hour before the start time. Then tailor the subject and message. Keep it clear and useful. Confirm the date and time, mention the meeting format, and include any preparation instructions. If your organization uses placeholders or merge fields, consider adding the attendee name or service name for a personal touch. Keep the tone friendly and concise so it reads well on mobile. Next, configure the follow-up email to send after the meeting concludes. This is great for nurturing relationships or driving next steps. Set how long after the end time it should send. Anything from an hour later to the next day can work depending on your use case. In the message, you might thank the attendee, include recap points or resources, invite feedback with a survey link, or guide them to book a follow-up. If your content has a promotional angle, make sure it aligns with your organization's communication and compliance policies. When everything looks good, click Save at the top to apply your changes. From now on, Bookings will automatically send your reminders and follow-ups for this service as scheduled. That's it. Simple, consistent communication that helps reduce no-shows and encourages ongoing engagement.